Hey everyone, I hope everyone's doing well. So I had the idea, since you're probably looking for some things to do, because we're all quarantined and whatnot, to give you some drills and things that you can work on. So the idea is that I'm going to do 5 days worth of posting. The first, third, and fifth day is going to be all about dribbling and shooting skills, and then the other 2 days are going to be some strength things I'd like to suggest that you do. So I'm going to use my son Joey to demonstrate things we're going to do. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to take you through some stationary dribbling drills. So this is Joey. Every one I show you, I want you to do for about 30 seconds before you switch to the next one. He's just going to do it for 10 seconds, so just to kind of show you what the drill is that I want you to do. Okay, so the first thing he's going to do is you can do a right hand front to back dribbling. Okay, switch to your left. Okay, and then left hand front to back dribbling. Okay, and again, you want to do each of those for about 30 seconds. Okay, then Joey, on your right hand and with your right leg, do 360 degrees around your right leg. Okay, and then after 30 seconds, on to your left hand. Okay, and then after that, you want to do the figure eight, as he's starting to do now. Okay, so right hand around the right leg, left hand around the left leg, and then 300 or figure eight after that. All right, after you do that, then I want you to do scissors, which is going to practice going between the legs, but it's going to be continuous. I swear. Okay, all right, do that for 30 seconds. Again, if you mess up, no big deal. Just get the ball back and get started and try to do 30 straight seconds of it. Okay, and then after that, you're going to do a crossover. Joey, back up some so you're in the full camera. Okay, good, right there. Okay, crossover. Keep that ball low. If you want to extend your arms out a little more than he is, you can do that as well. But again, do that for about 30 seconds. Okay, Joey, then try your, okay, the next one is, which is a little hard for some of you to do, but it's a good practice, is the behind the back. So you're basically crossing over behind the back. Again, you're not handing the ball to yourself, you're trying to dribble it behind. He's not good at it, so he may not be a good demonstration of it. All right, and then after that, if you have two basketballs, here, Joey, there's 3 drills I want you to do with 2 basketballs. First is pound them at the same time. Okay, go, Joey. Okay, and after you do that for 30 seconds, machine gun, where you vary right and left hand. Okay, and then the last one is a 2-ball cross. So get the ball controlled, cross your dribble. Okay, all right, those are the stationary dribbling drills I'd like you to do. The first shooting drill I want you to do is form shooting, like we always like you to do. So you're going to do it from 3 spots. You're going to do it from the side of the hoop. Joey, just keep doing it while I'm talking. You're going to do it from the side of the hoop, the front of the hoop, and then the other side of the hoop. I want you to make 10 shots from each position before you move on. A couple things to remember. Make sure you're bending those legs, and make sure you're following through it with your shooting hand. Okay, so 10 from each spot. All right, Joey, let's come over, and next are Micans. Okay, now on Micans, I want you to make a total of 50. You can split it up and do, maybe 10 makes from each side and rest, or if you want to try to get all 50 done at once, you decide sort of how you want to do it, but don't move on to the next drill until you get 50 in. All right, go, Joey. Okay, so right hand, catch it. Left hand, catch it. Don't jump off of 1 foot, Joey, not 2. Okay, there you go. Okay, get in a good rhythm. Try to high point that ball as much as you can. Okay, all right, that's good. All right, so again, 50 of those Micans. All right, once you do that, then I want you to do X outs. Okay, go ahead. Okay, you want to do this in 1 dribble. So once you start an attack in the hoop, 1 dribble before layup. Okay, watch how he does his footwork in terms of how he pivots. Okay, so he's going to dribble out with his right, pivot to his left, 1 dribble, shoot the layup, dribble out with his left, pivot to his right, and boom. Okay, and I want 50 makes on that as well. Again, you can divide it up if you want to do 20, 20, 10, however you want to do that, but don't stop until you get 50. All right, the last one is a free throw shooting one, and I want to make it into a game. It's called the 10-point game, and basically, you're always stepping to the line and you're shooting a one-on-one. If you make both, go ahead, Joey, and let's see what happens here. Did you miss that? Okay, so if you miss the front end of the one-on-one, it's -1. Okay, so he was at 0, he's now at -1. Now he shoots another one-on-one, and he misses again, so he's at -2. Now, let's say that he goes to the third one and he makes the front end of the one-on-one, and he misses the second. That would be a 0, because he kind of got +1 and then subtracted 1. If he makes both ends of the front of the one, or both ends of the one-on-one, okay, then he gets a +2. So front end is a -1, a make and a miss is a 0, and making both is +2. And you keep doing that until you get the 10. If you're a really good free throw shooter and you get the 10 pretty easily, then do it again. Okay, but I figure it's the easiest way to kind of make it into a game. All right, that completes your day 1 workout. I'll talk to you tomorrow.